Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Monday, December 28. The nation's leaders are encouraging Jamaicans to not relent and continue uniting in the fight against COVID-19. During his Christmas Day message, Prime Minister Andrew Holness urged citizens not to become complacent, even as significant breakthroughs in treatment, testing, and vaccines give us hope and optimism.
Jamaica is a participating country in the global COVAX facility, under which we have equal access to vaccines once they are developed. We will not immediately have enough vaccines for every Jamaican to be immunized. We will therefore need to prioritize access through fair and transparent criteria to focus on frontline workers first and our most vulnerable populations. However, all Jamaicans who want the vaccine will be able to access it free of cost when it becomes widely available.
Governor General Sir Patrick Allen expressed condolence to persons who lost family members, friends, or acquaintances due to the virus, road accidents, murders, or natural causes, including flooding. He also stressed the need for unity.
For those who are still rebuilding their lives, I ask that neighbors, family, friends, and corporate Jamaica lend a helping hand as we continue to demonstrate that truly we are our brothers and sisters' keeper. I will always believe in the goodness of our people, and I encourage everyone to continue to believe in Jamaica, and despite the challenges, let us never give up.
Similar sentiments were shared by the Leader of the Opposition, Mark Golding, who also thanked healthcare and other frontline workers for their unwavering dedication during the pandemic.
We admire and salute your dedication, compassion, courage, and commitment as you care for those who need it most, putting service above self. We thank you and your families for your tremendous sacrifice. Our nation owes you a special debt of gratitude.
The Ministry of Transport is working on establishing an air services agreement between Jamaica and the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Portfolio Minister Robert Montague made the disclosure recently as he welcomed the island's first chartered flight from Nigeria.
There are visa requirements, and we are working through that because we're also working to complete our air services agreement and working through all the issues.
Minister Montague says he is confident that with the signing of an air services agreement between the two countries, it will ultimately eliminate the need for a visa. Jamaica welcomed the arrival of the first non-stop flight from Lagos, Nigeria at the Sangster International Airport last Monday, carrying approximately 140 passengers on board. 8 owners of micro-enterprises in Denham Town, Kingston have benefited from equipment valued at $2.8 million to help improve their businesses. The community entrepreneurs, which include cook shop operators, a dressmaker, a barber, and a rabbit farmer, were presented with stoves, freezers, a sewing machine, rag warmer, and other items. The support was provided under the Enterprise Development Project, which is being implemented by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund under the Integrated Community Development Project Phase 2. Local Government Minister and Member of Parliament for West Kingston, Desmond McKenzie, urged the beneficiaries to view the investment as one for the improvement of the entire community.
I want to urge you not just to think of the investment JIS is making in you as your investment alone. It is an investment for Denham Town.
Other communities that will receive support under the Enterprise Development Project include Greenwich Town and August Town in St. Andrew, Treadlight in Clarendon, and Anchovy, Salt Spring, and Mount Salem in St. James. The Victoria Jubilee Hospital has been provided with a breastfeeding room for mothers to nurse their babies in a private, calm, and relaxing environment. The facility, which has been outfitted with rocking chairs and a television, was established at a cost of $1.7 million through a donation from T. Geddes Grant Company in partnership with Huggies. It was opened recently by State Minister of Health and Wellness, Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn.
We know and we understand that breastfeeding is so important. It is actually the best nutrition any mother can give to a child, a newborn child, and up until at least a year. And so this is really fitting, and we are very grateful.
Considering COVID-19 requirements for social distancing, the facility can accommodate 5 mothers and their babies simultaneously.
Through our brand Huggies, we have an ongoing hospital program, and it's not just Kingston Public Hospital, Victoria Jubilee, we also have it island-wide, right? All 14 parishes, we have an ongoing hospital program. So this is just the birth of something bigger.
And finally, an additional 45 persons have been commissioned as Justices of the Peace, JPs, for the parish of St. James. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says the number reflects an increase in persons coming forward to become JPs.
I want to thank the 40-odd persons who have been commissioned this afternoon for volunteering to be of service to your community and to your parish and to Jamaica. I understand that you have maybe close to another 100 to commission the customers. I'm very happy that persons are coming forward to be a part of a noble vocation.
The Justice Minister says that there is a demand for JPs in the country, and he's imploring those already serving to encourage other persons of good repute to join the ranks. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.